Hey, welcome to the Wins Life Hacks and Life Coaching channel, and I am your certified life coach, Turton, and today I want to take a look at and discuss with you a common question I get from a lot of folks. How can I move forward with my life when I'm so out of balance emotionally? That's an interesting question, and let's examine it today. So we're going to take this into two parts. One, we're going to talk about what is emotional imbalance, and number two, what to do about it. So if any of this resonates with you, I hope you stick around, like and subscribe to the channel. We're doing great. 2023 was a great year for the channel, and I'd like to keep that moving forward with your help. So let's talk about, how do you recognize that you're emotionally imbalanced? Some of the red flags that are telling you that you're emotionally imbalanced are mood swings. Top of the mountain happy, bottom of the valley sad. Overreacting to small things, getting way out of shape when the phone rings or somebody spills a glass of water or the kids are running around the house making noise. Just totally overreacting to that and dwelling on it and getting all upset. Lack of sleep because of stress, feeling like I can't do anything right. I'm getting depressed. I don't feel like even talking about my life because things are just going haywire. So all these little things mount up and they become a block, a wall in our way to advance in our life. We have to deal with that before we can make sound decisions. And as a coach, that's part of what you need to do, even if it's working with a mental health therapist to help the person out to go through a process of dealing with their emotional imbalance. So let's take an example of somebody who is thinking about changing jobs, for example, but their life is full of stress and it's full of indecision, and they just don't have the psychic energy to deal with it. They just keep putting it off, even though they are in an unhappy situation. And so the first thing I would recommend for that individual is to bring mindfulness and meditation into their life. Now, I don't want to use a pop term and say, okay, everybody says that. Every time I watch a YouTube channel, someone's talking about mindfulness. Well, you know why? Because it's true, because it really does work. And I think that there's a lot of neurological studies that say if you can take a break, if you can calm down, appreciate where you are, listen to nature, breathe, contemplate, and meditate on a subject that's important to you, you're going to signal your body to produce a sense of calmness. And it's that calmness that's going to help you put your issues in perspective and recharge, like Control Alt Delete for your body, okay? A reboot. So that's step one. That's what I would practice on first, getting into a state of calmness. And step two is, am I so out of balance that I need professional help? Maybe it's time for me to go see a therapist. Maybe I need a psychiatrist. Maybe I need my family physician to talk to me. You know, we don't always have to feel that we have to do it all ourselves. There's no harm in asking for support or reaching out to those around you to help you deal with those small things that are making you upset all the time or blocking your decision. So, as I mentioned, emotional imbalance is a state where, due to stress and past experiences, our daily life gets interrupted and we can't get anything done, or we can't at least make progress into making decisions on how to get things done. Understand that life is a journey. There's no quick fixes for anything, even emotional imbalance, where you're just feeling totally unhappy or agitated in a situation. I wish I could tell you that if you started meditating or journaling or doing something on a Monday, you'd be taken care of by Friday. And I can't promise you that. What I can promise you, though, is if you put in the work, if you start to make it part of your routine, eventually you're going to see progress. And that can allow you to take on other activities, like increasing your physical exercise. There's nothing worse than sitting around dwelling on your problems, going through the ups and downs of your emotions, and then getting angry at yourself because you can't make a decision and you can't move forward. Change your environment. Get out for a walk. Go to the gym, do whatever it takes within your personal physical abilities to get some exercise in your life, not only for the physical health benefits, but also for your mental health benefits. So, to wrap this up, emotional imbalance is a state of mental, emotional, and physical imbalance. Getting to the why. Why do you feel imbalanced? What's causing you? What is the root behind all of this confusion and depression and anxiety and aggravation? That can be done with not only professional help and coaching, but again, to repeat myself, through mindfulness and meditation and a commitment to help your inner self so that you can help yourself make a better future. So, if this helped you and you resonated, please like and subscribe. As I said, the channel is growing. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you, all my viewers. And I'll tell you what, listen to what this was about. If you are on an emotional seesaw, implement some of these ideas, enjoy your life, and I'll see you in the future.